what your teeth grinding says about your personality. Do you catch yourself clenching or grinding your teeth? It might be more than just a stress. It could reflect deeper personality patterns and emotional tension. High achievers and perfectionists often grind subconsciously. Type A personalities may carry tension in the jaw. Suppressed emotions can manifest as nighttime grinding. Overthinking and anxiety often show up in your bite. Your smile reveals more than you think. Let's listen to what your body is trying to say. We look at the whole you at the TMJ and Sleep Therapy Center of New England. Book a TMJ or airway health consultation today. See you soon.